Doors closing. Please stand clear.
The next station is Roma Street. Customers for the Beenleigh, Gold Coast or Cleveland lines, please change trains at Roma Street. Attention customers, we all have an important role to play in keeping the community safe and healthy. Please use your elbow to open the train door and leave a gap between yourself and others, both on the train and platform. Don't forget to practice good hygiene. Stay home if unwell, and get tested if you have COVID-19 symptoms. For the most up-to-date information, visit the Queensland Health website. Now arriving at Roma Street Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers for the Beenleigh, Gold Coast or Cleveland lines and long distance services, please change trains here. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.